Now you have just created your website, you have just paid for your domain name and web hosting services, and you like to go ahead and get a website. And the first thing you need to do is to install the content management software, and for this case you want to install WordPress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your website and then come up with a dashboard like this where you can manage all your content and have an interaction with your website. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I want to take you through a step-by-step process on how I was able to install WordPress on my blog or on my WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is to go to your web hosting company or service and then log into your account, and you can simply do this by clicking on client area. Then go ahead and enter your email and password to be able to log in, and here you'll see the services you have paid for, all the domains, and the services you are currently paying for will be displayed here. Now, for us to be able to install or to download and install WordPress content management software on your blog or website, you will need first to go ahead and access the client area of your particular website. For my case, I want to do it on this first website. I'll first go ahead and click on cPanel login. So you'll have to go ahead and log into your cPanel. If you have different credentials for cPanel, you can also just go ahead and log in directly. And here I'm on my cPanel, and assuming this is a fresh website without a content management software, once you get to this, you'll find we have various sections such as tools, social management, SiteJet builder, WordPress management, manage team, and just so many others. Now, for you to be able to do this, you need to access this section called WordPress manager by Software. So scroll down until you get to the software section, and here it is. Now, once you get to the software section, you will find that we have quite a number of options for you here. Now, we have quite a number of softwares here, among them WordPress themes and so many others, but we are mostly interested in installing WordPress. To install your WordPress, go ahead and click on WordPress manager here, and once you click on it, it will take you to this WordPress management website. Now, for my case, I've already installed this WordPress, but for your case, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on install. When you click on install, the installation process will begin immediately. Give it some few minutes for the installation process to be over. Once it is done, now you'll be able to create your username and also create your WordPress password. And once you're done, now you can log in, and you can simply log in by just clicking on log in here. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and enter your website URL by just entering your website URL like this, and then put a / and then log in like that. If you do that and then click on login, you will be directed to your WordPress admin, where you have to enter the username that you have just created and then the password for you to be able to log in. Alternatively, instead of using login, you can also just use / and then admin, and then if you enter, it will again take you to your WordPress login page. So that's how you can download and install WordPress for your website or for your blog. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.